Welcome once again, and let's talk about Shibadoge coin and crypto.com partnering and listing this coin very soon. The developers have actually tell us that they are working strongly to make sure that crypto.com comes in. Crypto.com lists Shibadoge. Now, Shibadoge have achieved a lot in the past year, and Shibadoge have also gotten a lot of support from other crypto exchanges. Just recently, Bitmain just listed Shibadoge coin, and few months ago, of course, IndoEX also listed Shibadoge coin. Earlier, it was only on Uniswap V2 that you can actually buy Shibadoge coin, but right now you can buy on Uniswap V2, Uniswap V3. You can buy it on Hotbit, you can buy it on IndoEX, you can buy it on Bkex, you can buy it on Bitmax. So you can see the number is increasing every day by day, and I hope to see that keep increasing. I hope to see now top exchanges coming in to list this coin. At least we know Bkex have been doing well. They have been really been the Shibadoge volume over 60 to 70% is being traded on Bkex alone, and I'm happy to see that. So we hope to see crypto.com very soon, because even the developers have actually said they are working to make sure Crypto.com lists Shibadoge. Crypto.com is one of the exchanges they have on their roadmap that they believe that will be listing with partnering with Shibadoge coin. And if Crypto.com can really work and partner with Shibadoge, believe it, it's going to be a very big bonus to Shibadoge and Shibadoge community, because Crypto.com are one of the top crypto exchanges, and they have over 10 to 14 million global customers who can now patronize, who can now buy Shibadoge coin. And remember, they work with so many crypto billionaires, they work with so many crypto investment companies, they work with so many sports companies. Crypto.com are one of the top crypto exchanges, I can tell you, that have a lot of partnership with different companies out there. Remember, they also signed partnership with PSG and a lot of sports clubs. And in fact, they just concluded the World Cup 2022 in Qatar. They are one of the sponsors of the World Cup in Qatar. You can see Crypto.com can really bring a lot of impact on Shibadoge coin, and I believe if they can list Shibadoge is going to gain a lot. And let's hope to see Crypto.com finally list Shibadoge coin. Let's hope to see that this deal, this partnership will actually go through, and I believe very soon Shibadoge will be deleting a zero, and I hope to see that Shibadoge will keep increasing in price. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.